3 all-you-can-eat free meals, 17-month salaries annually, quarterly end-of-year bonuses, 5 insurance and housing fund, 5% housing supplement fund. Sounds good to you to be true? These are the benefits offered to frontline workers at Tesla Giga Shanghai factory. The compensation package is better than what is offered by other automakers, including GM and Volkswagen. Work cycle is 4-day on 10-hour daily shift, 2 days off. In this report, I'm going to talk about the 5 amazing benefits Tesla Giga Shanghai offers to its frontline employees. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please join our community, our discussions, and subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up if you find this report interesting. So after a string of poor marketing decisions by Tesla and glamorous criticism thrown toward the Tesla Gigafactory in Shanghai, illustriously reported by the Chinese company Ping West, we can finally hear some good news from the Far East. When it comes to the employment, you know, the summer was kind of difficult for Giga Shanghai because of the Shanghai show. A few nights ago, Twitter burst into flames after revealing the benefit packages offered to frontline workers at the Tesla Gigafactory in Shanghai. Not only does it sound to be too good to be true, but one may say that Chinese workers have it better than the US workers or the workers in the European Union who assemble Tesla cars in our country in the United States. According to Twitter user Ray4Tesla, according to his Twitter post, the benefits package Chinese frontline workers in Gigafactory Shanghai receive include 3 all-you-can-eat free meals daily, 17-month salaries annually, 5 insurance package, housing fund, commercial medical insurance, and so on. Now, this all sounds nice and dandy, even amazing. Still, the truth is that only some months ago, waves of news that Chinese Tesla workers work in bad conditions with challenging working time schedules and constant high expectations put forward by their superiors swamped all shores. Some even speculated that the Chinese government, which put Tesla on the pedestal when it came to the country, reduced its support over time. I don't know how true this is. I don't know if this is true at all. However, let us dwell deep into the great list of these benefits Tesla provides for its employees in Shanghai. If you guys, as I'm going over these benefits, if any one of you are from Shanghai, let me know if this is true. So I cannot shake a feeling that Tesla introduced benefits trying to dump down some of the past year's marketing fires, but that is a story for another time. So there are 3 all-you-can-eat free meals daily. This is obvious and straightforward. All frontline workers, workers on the production line in Tesla Shanghai factory have an open buffet 3 times a day. All you can eat free meals is not something to laugh at, according to Ray4Tesla, who may I add enthusiastically announces this news, even shared that Chinese workers in the Tesla factory can eat as much crayfish and barbecue food as they want. In 12 restaurants opened on the premises of Giga Shanghai, that is where you can eat all these 3 meals. That is plenty enough for more than 3,000 employees who work for Giga Shanghai factory. The second is the news, the benefit about 17-month salaries annually. Friends, considering that the employee benefits basic salary in the Tesla Giga Shanghai factory is 5,000 Chinese yuan, which is about $773, I can only imagine that anything the people who assemble Tesla cars get on top of it is highly welcomed. 17-month salaries annually basically mean that apart from getting a monthly salary, Tesla frontline workers in China will get a quarterly bonus every 3 months and a year-end bonus at the end of the year. This equals 17 monthly salaries, which calculated with a basic salary income comes to about $13,141 per year. So quarterly bonuses and end-of-year bonuses do add up. This seems that Tesla takes care of its workers. And this is only the frontline workers, people who work at the production. Now, 5 insurance packages are available. Apart from taking care of workers' tummies and bank accounts, Tesla employees benefit in the China Giga Shanghai factory include 5 different insurances and housing funds. Now, no one specified what kind of insurance Tesla offers to its employees, but considering the packages available in the United States, we can only imagine that Tesla offers something similar in China, maybe with some local specifications. With that said, 5 insurance packages could include, for example, first, insurance for health and wellness. Second, financial and retirement insurance. Third could be some type of family and parenting insurance. The fourth would be, for example, vacation insurance. And the fifth could be employee discounts on other offers. This is just speculation, of course. And with that, we will also add that it is not hard to imagine that Tesla offers better insurance brokerage details for its employees. After all, Tesla launched insurance brokerage in China with great fanfare early in 2020. Speaking of insurance, please see my previous report about Tesla expanding its insurance and what Elon Musk tweeted about that. And the housing fund. Housing fund in China is more or less a type of social insurance. Employers and employees are mandatory to contribute to it, so I may imagine that Tesla is obliged by law to provide for a housing fund for all its employees, including, of course, frontline employees. Now, visit Tron for a great set explanation for the housing fund in China. Let me share part of it with you, friends. In 1999, housing fund was established for the purpose of helping Chinese employees save money in terms of buying their own properties. By doing so, social stability and security have been guaranteed in China. Together with other types of social welfare programs, housing fund is legislated by the government at a national level. But all the local governments have the authority to set up the contribution rates on their own, of course. So you see a lot of good benefits for Tesla workers in Gigafactory China. Now, Tesla probably went over and beyond with the contribution to the housing fund in China. The company covers one housing fund, 7%, and adds on top of that 5% housing supplemental fund, as Ray for Tesla pointed out on Twitter. By the way, if you would like to find good Tesla information daily, follow Ray for Tesla channel on Twitter. He does great job bringing information, and of course follow us at Torque News Auto handle. Now, commercial medical insurance, apart from the mandatory social insurance, Tesla Giga Shanghai covers commercial medical insurance as well. This insurance covers employees, their spouses, and minor children. It is not clear what precisely this insurance covers, but it does not sound shabby at all. I think it's a good thing to spend a little bit more, take away from you, and cover your employees. As a result, you will have happier employees, and that also curbs your greed. Back in May 2020, the Tesla Giga Shanghai board officially canceled stock options as an incentive for employees. The company never brought back this kind of incentive, even though, according to some sources, these incentives kept the people working in Tesla factories. Now, this new probable benefit package we covered in this report may not sound as captivating as getting Tesla stocks. Still, I would wager that it is equally alluring to and beneficial to workers who work at a factory, especially in Tesla Gigafactory in China. Well, friends, if you are a worker at Gigafactory Shanghai and enjoy these benefits, please let me know in the comment section your thoughts. And if you guys work in a different automotive factory, let us know in the comment section below how comparative it is to your situation. And this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please give us thumbs up for this report if you like it. And I think I will start doing more reports like this, speaking to you face to face, because the images that I have in my previous report, they're not always very relevant and it's very difficult to find. But the content is the most important thing here, and I wanted to speak with you like this. Let me know your thoughts on this, friends, and subscribe to our channel. Let's continue the discussion, the comments. We really have good comments in our discussions, and I'll see you soon in our next report. I have a couple of coming later today. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and see you soon.